नेम इज तेजस एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल सेल्फ स्टडिंग विद तेजस। तो आज हम सीखने वाले आईएमओ ग्रेड 5 का चैप्टर नंबर 3 फ्रैक्शंस एंड डेसिमल्स का अचीवर सेक्शन। तो वीडियो के अंत तक जरूर बने रहिएगा और अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। अचीवर सेक्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, इवैल्यूएट द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन। फर्स्ट वी आर going to solve the numerator. So here it is 2 5/4 and all the fractions are the mixed fractions. So first we will convert them into improper fraction. So here it is 2 5/4. So first we will multiply 2 into 4 then plus 5. So 2 4 is 8 and 8 plus 5 is 13. So means it will be 13 by the numerator which is 4. So 13 by 4 we get, and now this one. So first 5 into 6 which is 30 and then plus 1 which is 31. So here minus 31 by the numerator which is 6 and now plus, so here it is first we will do 3 into 3 which is 9 and then plus 1 which is 10. So means 10 by 3. So now we have converted them into improper fractions. Now we need to simplify the denominators. So here first we need to find the LCM of 4, 6 and 3. So it is 12 because 4 into 3 is 12, 6 into 2 is 12 and 3 into 4 is also 12. So means first 4 3 is 12. So 13 into 3 by 4 into 3 which is equal to 13 into 3 is 39 and 4 3 is 12. So 39 by 12 and now 31 by 6. So 6 into 2 is 12. So we will multiply on both the sides by 2. So 31 into 2 and 6 into 2. So 31 into 2 is 62 and 6 2 is 12. So means 62 by 12 and now 10 by 3. So 3 4 is 12. So now we will multiply by 4. So 10 into 4 by this 3 into 4. So 10 4 is 40 and 3 4 is 12. So now all the denominators are equal, so we can solve it. So we will write here 39 by 12 minus 62 by 12 and then plus 40 by 12. So first we will add 39 and 40 which makes 79 and 79 minus 62 which is 17 by 12. So we have solved this numerator side and now we will solve this denominator side. So first we will divide 0.3717 by 0.9 because as per the BODMAS rule. So here 0.3717 we can cut it also and do it simply, and 0.9. So now first we will do the table of 9 and put here 0 point. Now in 9 table which is smaller than 37. So it is 9 4 which is 36 and if we subtract that we get 1 and here 0 and this 1 will come down, so it makes 11 and then 9 into 1 is 9, 0 0 9 and we subtract, so we get 2 and this 7. So 9 3 is 27. So means our answer is 0.413 and now we are going to add 0.087 plus 0.413. So here we will do the addition, 0.413 plus 0.087. So now 7 plus 3 is 10, so 1 and 0. Now 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. And then 4 plus 1 which is 5 and this decimal point and after that 0. So So means 0.500, which is 1 by 2. And we have get the answer here is, which is 17 by 12. So we will do here 17 by 12 by 1 by 2. So now what we are going to do is, here 17 into 2 and 12 into 1. So here we will write this 17 into 2 by 12 into 1. So we can cut this first. 2 1 ja is 2 and 2 6 ja is 12. 17 into 1, which will be 17, and by 6 into 1, which is 6. So now we are going to divide 17 by 6. So first we will write here 17 and then divided by 6. So first 6 2 ja is 12, and we get minus 5 and then 5. So we will put here decimal point and write it 1 0. So 50. Now 6 7 ja is, and 6 8 ja is 48. So we will write here 8 and this 48, and we minus it, so we get 2 and then 1 more 0. So here it is 20. So 6 3 ja is 18. So 3, and if we minus it, we get 2. Then this, and then again 3. We will minus it, we get again 2. Means this is starting to repeat. So means our answer is 2.833. So here 2.833 is our correct answer. And now 27th question. The value of 30.5 minus 30.4 plus 30.3 minus 30.2 plus 30.1 minus 30.0 plus 29.9 minus 29.8 plus 29.7 minus 29.6 plus 29.5 minus 29.4 plus 29.3 minus 29.2 plus 29.1 minus 29.0 is equal to dash. So here 30.5 minus 30.4 will be 0.1, and this will be also 0.1, means, and 30.1 minus 30 will be also 0.1, and this will be also 0.1. So 1 2 3 4, and this 5, then 6, then 7, and then 8. So and all the underlined values are 0.1. So if we add them, we get 0.8, means A 0.8 is our correct answer. And now 28th question. Find the value of P, Q, R and S respectively. So here it is 1, and this 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9 10. So out of 10, 6 are shaded. So means 1 6 by 10. So here I will write it 1 6 by 10, and now and we will find the value of R here. So here it is 1 2 3 complete, and it is half, means 1 by 2. So means 3 1 by 2. So P is equal to 1 6 by 10, and here R is equal to 3 1 by 2. So now let's take here. So here it is. First we will convert them into this one into we will simplify it. So here it will become 3 by 5, as 2 3 ja is 6 and 2 5 ja is 10. So it will be 1 3 by 5, and we have simplified that, means it will be 3 1 by 2. So here it is 1 3 by 5, and here it is 1 3 by 5, and here it is 2 1 by 2, but here it is 3 1 by 2, means this is our correct answer. So 29th question. Which of the following statement is correct? So A, 3 by 6 and 1 by 2 are equivalent fractions. So this is correct because it will be 3 1 ja is 3 and 3 2 ja is 6. So means A option is our correct answer. And now 30th question. Find the value of R minus P into Q. So here first we will find the value of P. So here 116.58 divided by 8.7. So here 116.58 and here 8.7. So here we have to remove this decimal, and here after decimal here is only one digit. So we will also shift this decimal one digit next. So here will be decimal on this side and this decimal will be removed. So now it becomes 87 and now 116 here is. So we will do it by 1 and this 87. So subtract. Now 6 will become 16 and 16 minus 7 will be 9 and this 1 will become 11 and 11 will become 10 and 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 29 and this 5 will come down, so it becomes 295. So now we will try to get up with 3. So 87 into 3. So 7 3 is 21 and 8 3 is 24 and then plus 2 which is 26. So 261. So now here we will write 3 and 261. So 5 minus 1 will be 4. 9 minus 6 will be 3 and 2 minus 2 will be 0. So now 34. So we will put here a decimal and after decimal here is 8. So we will put the it down. So here is 348. So now here it is 87 into 4. 87 into 4. So 7 4 is 28 and 8 4 is 32 and 32 plus 2 is 34. So 348. So we will write here 4 and 348. So our answer is 13.4. So we will write here 13.4. Now here Q plus 9.18 is equal to 15.06. So we will subtract 15.06 minus 9.18. So here we will do 15.06 and minus 9.18. So 9.18. So 6 will become here 16 and 16 minus 8 which will be 16 minus 10 is 6 and here it is 8. So 6 plus 2 which will be 8. And now 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9 because 6 was become 16. So 9 minus 1 will be 8. Now this 5 will become 4 and this 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 9 will be 5 and this 1 will become 0. So means 5.88. So Q is equal to 5.88. Now here R, so 912.06 minus R is equal to 418.05. So we will subtract 912 minus 06 minus which is 418.05. So we will do here so 912.06 minus 418.05. So here for 6 minus 5 which will be 1 and this 0 minus 0 will be 0 and here 2 will become 12 and 12 minus 8 will be 4 and now this 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 1 will be 9 and this 9 will become 8. 8 minus 4 will be 4. So 494.01 is equal to 494.01. So first here we will here it is R minus P into Q. So first we will do P into Q. So P is equal to 13.4 and Q is equal to 5.88. So here we will remove the decimals and write 588 and here 13.4. So 134. So here 8 4 is 32 and again it will come 32 and 32 plus 3 will be 35 and this 5 4 is 20 and 20 plus 3 will be 23. So 2352 and 0 and this we will erase this. Now 8 3 is 24 and 8 3 will be again 24 and 24 plus 2 will be 26 and now 5 3 are 15 and 15 plus 2 will be 17 and this 2 zeros. Now 588 as it is. So now we will add this. So 2 as it is, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 8 will be 17 and this 18 and 7 8 7 9 2 we get. So now here it is 1 2 3. So means the decimal after it here should be 3 digit, means 78.792. So now here R value is 494 and P into Q is 787.92. So we will subtract 418 minus 78.792. So here it is 494.01 and here 78.792 and here will be 1 0 and we will subtract this. So 0 will become 10, 10 minus 2 will be 8, this 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 10, 10 minus 9 will be 1 and 0 will become again 10 and this 10 will become 9 and 9 minus 7 will be 2 and now decimal point and now this 4 will become 3, 3 will become 13 and 13 minus 8, so 13 minus 10 will be 3 and means it will be 5 and now this 9 will become 8 and 8 minus 7 is 1 and this 4. So 415.218 is our correct answer. So here 415.278 is our correct answer. फ्रेंड्स अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. थैंक यू.